Yo, what's good? Check, check. It's 4th of July. I'm about to film some fireworks. Hold up. Oh, fuck. I'm kidding, bruh. Look at this crap. Oh! Y'all need to be living that good life. Jump, jump. This is gonna be the big one, I think. Might want to cover my ears. Sorry for the start. Can't cover. Oh! Oh my God! Well, that was epic. I'm gonna pop a Sprite real quick. Yeah, I'm sorry for the darkness. Oh crap! Oh, that's a big one. Ah! Check, check. Alright, I'm gonna keep vlogging this. So don't worry, just keep watching this. I know that's you, Jack, watching this. Shout out to Aunt Bet on this one. Shush, they're launching it over there. Yeah, shout out to Aunt Bet. Come on! Come on, Mom! Woo! Oh shit! Ah! Shots fired! Shots fired! Take two! Take two! Shots fired! I'm gonna get in a better angle. I got the new drip. You can barely see this angle. Bro, I'm gonna post this real quick on Vikings Fan 84 after it's done. I think this next firework is called the Viper. I'm not sure. Yeah, shout out to everyone in the group chat. Happy 4th.
Get closer, bud?
Yeah, sure. I'm coming.
Want me to film you, or are you filming yourself? Go.
Run! Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh, that's loud. Whoa, look at that. Oh! It's all... Shots fired! I'm ready! Got the big one. Do we have any more fireworks? Yeah. Alright. Hey, I've just been informed we have more fireworks. Keep rolling. It's gonna be nostalgic footage. zooming in on that random light be like. And the rapper's blown away. I'm coming. Oh, that went flying at me. Holy crap. Yeah, I got my basketball hoop here. Hold up, I'm gonna make a basket. Cause I'm too good.
This one should have all the green fluorescent.
Oh, so this is the Viper?
Yes.
I'm gonna dunk it. Oh. I'm taller than my mama. Sheesh. I'm gonna get up close with this one, and now I'm gonna run. Like, I'm gonna sprint. Hey, I'm gonna get up close, and then I'm gonna run, like, really fast.
Shine your flashlight on Mom.
I can't. Oh! Woo! That was it. Ah! Woo-hoo! Yeah, I'm about to get hit. Hold up. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a really good one. Oh, the smoke. Y'all probably laughing at me now by this point. Yeah, that was probably the best one so far. Just a quick question. How many trophies do y'all have on Clash Royale? Jack, Anthony, Ashton, whoever's in the group chat. Just tell me. I would like to know. Because I'm probably better than you now. I'm not gonna lie. If you made it this far in the video. Okay. Wait, which one is this? Okay. I'm gonna film from up here. I have to see what's. I have to like hold the camera weird because like yeah, I'm not gonna end this footage. How do I get that on? Oh. Woohoo! That was another good one. How many more fireworks do we have?
One more after this, and we got some cool sparkles.
Okay, so this is the last big one?
Got one more after this.
Okay. Hey, house check. Not showing my address though. Oh! Mama got burned. Oh!
That was a good one.
Dang. Son, look at those sparks on the ground. Mom! That was like the biggest one. I've been filming for 10 10 minutes already. Dang. Video's worth it though. Keep watching it, please. If it's you, Jack. I know y'all are probably never gonna make it this far in the video because y'all don't really care. But, yeah. Cool. Now we just have the sparklers. Sparklers. Sparkler jug.
Oh, this will be easy for them. Wait till this stuff cools down. I'm going ready to try. I think the Viper was the best.
The Viper?
Viper.
Yeah, I think that one was the best too. What is that? Well, you can't even see it at this point. It's already like 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock Central. Yeah? You want me to light it?
Here, I want you to hold the sparklers.
Oh, what do they do?
They just sparkle. They don't go off.
Do they burn?
It's just the metal. Hold it.
Where do I hold it?
Right here in the metal.
Hey, I got the sparklers, but you can't even see it. There we go. They just sparkle? I'm not gonna get burned or anything, right?
No, just hold it. You're good.
I'm not getting burned on camera.
This is Mom's, and then see what color hers is.
I only want one. Whoa. Yeah, I only want one. I don't really want two. Having some lighter issues. Hey, it's Crescent. Hey, look guys, it's Crescent Moon Day. Where the moon is a banana. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. I'm only singing this because we're having issues with the sparklers. So, yeah. Whoa. My two sparklers. Yeah. Oh! See the smoke? Yeah. It's hard to film because look at it. I have to film it from here, by the loop. Yeah. This might actually be close to my longest video. My longest video on this channel is 18 minutes, and I've been filming for like about to be 15 minutes. So yeah. Here's a compilation of us having issues. Or a close up. Still having issues with the lighter. dunk it. Ah! I'm so tall, guys. I'm literally taller than the hoop, bro. Hey, you like my drip? Yeah, I got that drip. If it only wasn't pitch black. Pitch black. It would be way easier to film. We got a sparkler going. Yes. Does it burn? Yeah. Yeah, I got a sparkler. Yeah, better not burn me. Feel it, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Woo. I better not get burned on camera. What are those things launching out of it?
It's just sparks. That's why they're called sparks.
Do they burn?
If you touch it, it will.
Okay, okay. It has finished. What do I do with it now?
Just throw it on the ground here. Dad's gonna throw it out until it cools off. Yeah, normally these light right up. There you go.
Hold on, camera's bad quality. I gotta fix it. Whoa! Ah! Lightsabers. Whoa! Oh. Having camera issues. Quality's not good. Ah, smoke.
3, 4.
Just throw them.
Am I gonna throw it?
Yeah, right here, Dad. You throw it.
Oh, fireworks are done? Alrighty. That's gonna wrap up this video. I love y'all. I'm about to hit 100 subs. Let's go. Alright, hold on. Let me do a quick drip check. Then I'll head up. So I got the Nikes. The good Nikes. I got the Hollister shirt. And I got the Brandon Bears shorts. The football shorts. Alright, I'm gonna head out. Bye everyone.